Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to add images and videos in Google Slides step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Google Slides presentation and go to the slide where you want to add an image. Now click Insert, then select Image and choose Upload from Computer. Select the image you want to use and click Open. As you can see, the image has been added successfully. You can move it anywhere on the slide by dragging it and resize it using the corner handles. If needed, you can also crop the image to fit your design. Now let's add a video. Click Insert, then select Video. Here, you can insert a video from Google Drive or by using a video URL. For this tutorial, I'll choose a video from Google Drive. Select the video you want to use, then click Insert. The video has now been added to the slide. You can drag it to any position and resize it just like an image. If you want to change how the video plays, select the video and open Format options. From there, you can adjust the playback settings according to your needs. Once you're done, click Slideshow in the top right corner to preview your presentation and make sure everything works properly. That's it. Now you know how to add images and videos in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.